Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a bit about Verizon. So I'm on frontinternet.com here, and so it says Verizon is the first U.S. carrier to launch Microsoft Teams Phone Mobile. So if you guys use Microsoft Teams and you guys have Verizon, this will be a good feature for y'all. So if you guys want to decide, link will be down below, of course. So let's go ahead and check this out. So it says here Verizon Mobile for Microsoft Teams there, available first in the US with Verizon. It says Verizon just revealed it has inked a new deal with Microsoft for the integration of Teams into a brand new service called Verizon Mobile for Microsoft Teams. Thanks to the new partnership, Verizon customers will be able to make or receive external calls using a single business-provided number. The newly launched service will also include the ability to uplift calls from a smartphone to Microsoft Teams on any device without dropping calls, Verizon announced. Formerly known as Operator Connect Mobile, Teams Phone Mobile is a new service for Verizon customers that integrates mobile devices with Microsoft Teams for easier calling. This is the first partnership between Microsoft and the U.S. carrier that results in the launch of such a service, but it's unlikely that Verizon has any exclusive. But it's unlikely that Verizon has any exclusivity over the service, so other carriers might jump into the Microsoft Teams bandwagon. But as of right now, it's a Verizon exclusive for now, okay? Y'all got some check out this video about it there from Verizon's YouTube channel, so pretty cool there. It says until then, Verizon remains the first U.S. carrier to provide its customers with the option to use their mobile device's native dialer to receive calls as a Teams endpoint. The carrier calls this new service Verizon Mobile for Microsoft Teams and hopes to capitalize on the popularity of Microsoft's app among business customers. So this new partnership with Microsoft and Verizon, they're gearing towards like business customers and stuff. So if you guys use Microsoft Teams for your business or whatever, this will be a good feature for you. So they're like gearing this towards like business customers on Verizon. So yeah, it says with Verizon Mobile for Microsoft Teams, business customers will be provided with a single phone number across devices to allow employees to work from just about anywhere. Verizon also claims that all Teams calls made with the smartphone dialer will be treated as voice calls on its LTE network, which should result in superior call quality, which is very nice. Another important benefit of having Verizon Mobile for Microsoft Teams is that users will be able to switch between devices and Teams endpoints during the call without dropping the call. There's no mention of prices, but it's pretty clear that this is just a cost-effective solution worth considering. However, it remains to be seen how well Verizon Mobile for Microsoft Teams will be able to replace standalone solutions. So we'll have to wait and see though. I believe it's available now. So if you guys use Microsoft Teams for your business and you guys use Verizon as your carrier for your business or whatever, I mean, here you go, because you can you can do whatever you can do whatever you want on Microsoft Teams. You should be able to use all the features on Microsoft Teams and stuff like that. So yeah. So this is really cool. Verizon is the first U.S. carrier to launch this new mobile feature of Microsoft Teams. I won't be surprised if AT&T and T-Mobile jumps on board, which they might. Who knows? I don't think this is. So this partnership with Verizon, this is not an exclusive thing because other carriers might jump on board at a later time. But as of right now, Verizon is the first U.S. carrier to launch Microsoft Teams for mobile. So that's pretty cool. So if you guys have Verizon as your, if you guys have Verizon as your business carrier, check this feature out, and it could be it could be something that a lot of people might want, So check it out. I think it's available now. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.